Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Apps Every Day. And today we're taking a look at an app that helps you find those products that you may see in magazines or on Pinterest, and you're trying to redesign your home or anything. This is a great platform for that. All right, so Houzz is totally free to download, and you can buy things from here. So there's technically like in-app purchases, but it's like shopping on Amazon or something. So basically, when you load the app, you're greeted on kind of this home screen here where there's a ton of stuff you can do in this app. And so I'm going to leave some to you exploring, but I'm going to point out some of my favorite features here. One of them is the ability, of course, to shop by department. So if you're looking for something very specific, you can see all the categories here. Maybe you're looking for a new dining room table. So we can go into furniture, dining tables. And of course, you can scroll through here and see what you like. If you find something that you like, you'll notice that some of them have a little AR in the bottom left. That means that you can actually see this in your room. So if I do that, and it's going to scan the thing, and I can actually see to scale the table in front of him. And yeah, you can take a picture, save it. And obviously this isn't a very good one because it's like a glass top. Maybe if we do something like, sure, this one. That's a little bit bigger. Boom. And you could walk around it, check it out. It's not really textured, so you're not going to see a lot of detail, but still helpful. Or you can go to the 360 view, and this is where you can basically use your finger to move all around it. And you can also buy it straight from here, which is pretty awesome. Now, one of my favorites is to be able to go into actual photos. So I can go into photos here, and you can get a ton of inspiration. You have a ton of filtering options that you can go through based on your own style preferences. But for example, you can just scroll through here. I like a darker aesthetic here. So maybe something like this. And you'll see all these little tags hanging. And if I tap on that, it's actually going to bring up the products that are used or ones very close to it in that style directly. You can see the prices right from there. And if I wanted to go in and actually buy this, boom, I can buy it and basically copy this exact room just by clicking on the tags here. Now, not every photo and everything is tagged. So like this one doesn't seem to have any, but I can still go in and see more about the project and maybe who even designed it. Speaking of, you can actually hire professionals from this app. So going back to the home screen, I can see pros at the top. And here you can search through a category or you can connect with a pro yourself. So if I'm going, we're moving in a couple weeks, so maybe we want to do some interior design. It's going to ask for a couple, basically about 12 different questions, like where are you at? What budget phase are you in? Are you planning? Are you ready to hire? What are you looking for? How much square footage? That sort of thing. So you can go through that and actually get paired up with a professional designer to help remodel, redesign, whatever to your house, which is pretty awesome. And of course, just like Pinterest and other social sites, you can save things into idea books. So I just happen to find these two tables that I really like. So I saved them in here. I can do all the same stuff. Check out the reviews, buy it from here, see related ones like it. Overall, Houzz is a really cool inspiration platform. And honestly, it's come a long way over the years. I've looked into this app over probably the past, I don't even know how long it's been there, probably decade, 5 years, I don't know. And it used to be something that would be purely inspiration, but now the fact that you can tap on products and buy it straight from here is really cool. So you can almost copy, if you're like me and you're not like an interior designer yourself and you just want to like see a bathroom or a room and just be like, I just want that. And you can just buy all the products from that exact room. So pretty cool. If you guys want to check it out, the link will be in the description below. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.